If you own a business, you know that wearing every hat is oftentimes pretty normal, but burning out doesn't have to be. Entrepreneur Addict presents the EA Marketing Framework. This is going to give you a clear step-by-step plan to market like a pro without having to become one. What you're going to learn in this online course is how to craft a brand story that customers actually care about. You'll be able to show up where attention already is, on Google, your local searches, YouTube, LinkedIn, your website, and your local Google business profile. You're going to generate consistent leads, real leads, without wasting money. And you're going to work on a simple weekly cadence that's going to compound over time and quickly build to some significant results. That's what you get for $97. Yeah, $97. Self-paced, bite-sized lessons. They're going to fit your schedule. They're actually realistic. A customized marketing roadmap for your business. You're going to be able to join us for bi-weekly office hours, get direct feedback, and access to a supportive peer community, along with hundreds of free resources at your fingertips. Now, this isn't theory. It's a system for clarity, consistency, and credibility that you can use the same day you learn it. It's literally that straightforward. We did that intentionally. So take the course, apply it, make some money, and grow your business. What's the next step for you? Well, all you have to do to get started is subscribe to the EA Marketing Framework to start now.